Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu, and you know me for a lot of integration with UiPath, integration with Salesforce, ServiceNow, Jira, Confluence, and so on. Today we'll talk about ServiceNow, and on the ServiceNow, we'll see that one client, so we don't have an update, but one client asked me how I get the history of an incident or the history of a task and so on. Yeah. So if you take a look on the ServiceNow documentation, you will see that you will find different tables. You have sys audit, where it's everything audit, but you need to be admin. You have sys history set, and you have his history line. Yeah. And we'll access this data and we'll see what we have. Here are the difference between each table, and I create some SQL for these tables. Yeah. So let's go here. We are connected to our ServiceNow platform. I have only one incident that I work. I will work with incident today, but you can work with any type of table, any task, and so on. So first, I want to see for my incident, I have the ID of the incident. I want to see in the audit table, here I need to be an admin, yeah? I will get the table name, the field name, the document ID, the old value and the new value. Yes, so as an admin, if I run this, I will see that what's happened with my incident. That was assigned for it. No, it was not a value. Then it was assigned to a value. The change, the state change, and so on. So you have add comments. Yeah. So you have all the steps. But like I said, for this part, you need to be an admin. So all the change of the state, the incident state, everything that is changed inside of an incident that I give him the key, basically is logged here. Yeah. So you have all the steps. Yeah, so this is the sys audit table that I use with for this value. But like I said, for this one, you will need to be admin. There is another option, and you have here the history on the history line and the history on the history set. So I will go to history set and identify the record, and then with the record, I will go to history line and we'll see step by step. So I have a SQL on history set, and I will get ID table and sys ID. Yeah. So this is the ID of my incident, and I have only one here. So because I modify only one incident, this is the ID of my incident. And see that the table is incident, and the sys ID of the recording is this one. I will use this sys ID, and I will jump to the other table, to the system history line. Yeah. So you see here on the history line, I say set will be my value. I want everything to order by update time. And I want the label, the old value, the new value, the update time. I will show you from where you get all these values. Yeah, let's run it and let's see the result. So you see, knowledge was set to 0. Then was created active and so on. And so these are all the steps from 2019 when it was created, because I have an development instance. And then today I modify some stuff. I changed the urgency from low to high and so on and so on. I changed the incident state. So I see everything here, all the modification with all the times and so on. So I made all this change on my incidents. Yeah. When I had the resolve time and so on. Yeah. So all the modification is here. From where I get these values. Yeah. So to be able to get these values, you go here and you write history, and you see here you have the history line. Yeah. So when I say get data, I get all my stuff. So I can get the these are all the values that accepted from that table. Relation, checkpoint. I don't know if I will have values for this. I just give you an example. Audit, type, username, let's see, and he automatically put this value here. I have already update time, so I'll remove this to not get an error. And I have all this stuff, but I don't see values on this stuff. Look here on the internal checkpoint and type audit. So for each stuff, you can track what happened to your incident or your task, and basically you can do this for any table for any stuff from ServiceNow. Yeah. So remember, use the SQL and use on these three tables: system audit, system history line, and system history set. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, follow me on the YouTube and contact me on the YouTube or Marketplace or LinkedIn and ask me what else you want to see on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.